Danielle here for another Wonderville tutorial. Today we'll be going through the steps to edit a lesson and assign it to your class. Let's say the lesson I've selected is what I want to assign to my class, but I want to make a few changes to adapt it specifically to my students' needs. It's simple. All I have to do is just click the title of the lesson. This brings me to the preview page. From here, I can now click the Edit tab to make my changes. When I'm in this view, I can click on any section and edit the lesson outline. I can also edit the student activities. Let's say I found a resource I really like, or an assessment I want to include. I just click on Add Activity and select the correct field. Once I'm happy with my edits, I can assign the activity to my class by clicking Assign to Class at the top of the page. I can assign an activity to one or more of my classes simply by selecting them. After making my class selection, I'm given two student viewing options, Step by Step or Exploration. Step by Step is a great selection for when I want my students to work through the activities sequentially. If the order isn't important, then Exploration is the right choice. That's all for today. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now it's time for you to get exploring and find a lesson to use in your classroom. Check out our other tutorial videos to explore further features. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon.